Hello students, today we will proceed further for our first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. In this chapter, Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady and she was the mistress of Tricky. Tricky was a dog, pet dog of Mrs. Pumphrey, and Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about Tricky because Tricky would not eat anything and even this Tricky refused its favorite dishes. It spent all its time lying on the rug and it was continuously panting. And Tricky did not want to go for walks and did not want to do anything. So this Mrs. Pumphrey now called the doctor for the help. And when doctor arrived there, doctor suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized for 15 days. Now Tricky is in the veterinary hospital with Mr. Heriot. The doctor gave Tricky no food but plenty of water for 2 days. Slowly, the dog started showing interest in his surroundings and began mixing with the other dogs at the surgery. On the third day, the doctor saw Tricky licking the empty supper bowls of the other dogs. So next day a separate bowl was kept for Tricky and the doctor was very happy to note that Tricky had run to eat its food with enthusiasm, with happiness. From that day onwards, its progress was fast. Its recovery was rapid. Now, Tricky did not require medicinal treatment also and recovered quite well. On hearing uh, from the doctor about Tricky's gradual recovery, Mrs. Pumphrey now sends 2 dozen eggs at a time, along with bottles of wine. This much we have completed. What happened next for that, I will explain you the chapter. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. So now first 2 dozens of eggs arrived, then bottles of wine came in the hospital. Now brandy come. Okay, now bottles of brandy used to come in the hospital. And why Mrs. Pumphrey was sending this much food, this much eggs, bottle of wines and bottles of brandy to make the blood composition of Tricky. Constitution means to make the blood, उसके खून को बढ़ाने के लिए ये इतना सारा सामान वो भेज रही थी. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. So, for few days, for few nights, those kind of things used to come there, and they all were in the hospital, and they were enjoying those eggs, those bottles of wines and bottles of brandy was enjoying by Mr. Heriot, his friends and these dogs. So all were enjoying these spirits, all were enjoying these eggs, brandy and wine. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. So those days were very satisfied days for this Mr. Heriot. Content means satisfied. So he was very happy, and their days were starting with eggs. Their midday means afternoon meal was was sustained and was improved by wine, and they were finishing their day, and at the night means in the night when they were round the fire they were enjoying brandy, means whole day they were enjoying this luxurious food items sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. In the morning they were enjoying eggs, afternoon meal while they were taking afternoon meal they were enjoying wine, and at the night time they were enjoying brandy. Means they all were very happy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So now there was a temptation. उनको लालच आ गया कि इतना सारा खाना ये मिसेस पम्फ्रे भेज रही, तो चलो इस डॉग को यही रख दे. So Mr. Harriet was also now tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the veterinary hospital. But he was knowing that Mrs. Pumphrey was very affected to its dog, and that is why now he compelled to phone her. So after 15 days, he phoned to Mrs. Pumphrey and told her that now her dog is recovered, and now Tricky was waiting for her, and now Mrs. Pumphrey now will come to collect her dog. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. तो थोड़े ही मिनट में, विद इन मिनट मीन्स थोड़े ही मिनट में, 30 feet of gleaming black metal. 30 feet of gleaming black metal means what here? Gleaming means shining, and black metal means black car. So within minutes, within a few seconds only, within a few minutes only, one black car came there, shining black car, 30 feet length. Black car arrived there at the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. So chauffeur means driver was there. He opened the door and he could Mr. Harriet could understand that in that car Mrs. Pumphrey is there. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? So now Mrs. Pumphrey was very worried. We can understand by its expression, by her expression. Her hands were tightly clasped and her lips was trembling. Trembling means shivering. And by that we can understand that Mrs. Pumphrey was very worried about her dog, and that is why she asked one question to Mr. Harriet, that now her dog is really better or not. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. So Mr. Harriet, this doctor, veterinary doctor, informed her that yes, Tricky is all right, Tricky is fine, and no need for you to get out of your car. Don't get out from your car. You stay there only. I will go inside and I will fetch your Tricky here with you. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawns, and in their midst, ear flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. And when Mr. Harriet go inside the house and he went into the garden, that time a mass of dog was there. Mass of dogs means a group of dog was there. So lot of dogs were there, and in that dog, one extraordinary dog was there. Golden figure dog was there, and that was Tricky. And what was done by the Tricky in the garden? Mr. Harriet experienced, Mr. Harriet saw that this dog was flapping its ear, it was waving its tail, means what? Tricky was very active now. Tricky was very well now. That was understood by us. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscles animal. So within 2 weeks means 15 days only happened, and now that dog became very flexible. Lithe means flexible. So it was transformed from a fat dog to a flexible dog, and it was now hard muscle animal. Hard means very strong. Its muscle became very strong now. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. And he was very friendly with other dogs. Pack means group of other dogs. So he was friendly with other dogs, he was enjoying with other dogs, and it was stretching out in the great bounds, and its chest was also almost brushing the ground. Means what? That now this dog became all right. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. So now that dog was now arrived with Mr. Harrier. Now it was in front of the house, means nearby the car of Mrs. Pomfrey. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pomfrey's lap. And chauffeur was still there, and he had kept open the doors of the car, and as soon as this dog had seen its mistress, he just jumped from the arms of Mr. Harriet. वो कूद गया, उसके जो हाथ में वो था ना, तो उसमें से वो कूद गया, एंड ही सेल्ड इनटू मिसेस पम्फ्रेस लैप, और मिसेस पम्फ्रे की गोद में जाके वो बैठ गया. सी गेव अ स्टार्टल ओ, एंड देन had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. And when that dog leapt into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey, she gave a startled, and she told, "Oh!" And then she had to manage herself. She had to defend herself because now this dog, Tricky, became so excited by seeing its mistress, and that is why now it was barking and it was licking Mrs. Pumphrey's face. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and balls, none of which had been used. And during the excitement means during Mrs. Pumphrey and this Tricky was means meeting each other. That time, Mr. Harriet helped the chauffeur to bring out all the luggage of Tricky, means its beds, cushions, toys, coats, balls. Everything was brought out now from the veterinary hospital, and none of the things was used by Mr. Harriet. उसने कोई भी ये जो चीज़ भेजी थी मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने, वो मिस्टर हिरियट ने कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं किया था. उन्होंने अपना ही एक लूज बॉक्स में उसका बेड बना दिया था, और वो अदर डॉग्स के साथ ही सोता था, तो कोई भी उसमें से कोई भी वस्तु उन्होंने यूज़ नहीं की थी. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. And as the car was moving, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out from the window. Leaned out means उसने बाहर की ओर झाँका. And that time tears was there in the eyes of Mrs. Pumphrey, and her lips was trembling. "Oh, Mr. Idiot," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." And Mrs. Pumphrey told Mr. Idiot that, "Mr. Idiot, how can I thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. This is the victory of your hospital कि आपने मेरे इस पैटिक डॉग को आपने अच्छा कर दिया, रिकवर कर दिया." So Mrs. Pumphrey was very happy, and she became emotional also, and she thanked Mr. Harriet at the end. With this, we come to end of our chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.